Okay, this is a SunJoe electric lawnmower. This is a 40-volt model, and the model number is ION16LM. I don't know if you could see that, but it's just a typical 40-volt battery that's in there. I notice sometimes on these models, these buttons that are in there, what it'll do is it'll run for like 30 seconds and then stop. So I ended up putting my own button in here and removed the safety bar here. So right now, if I hit this button, it just turns it on and off. So what I did is I ended up taking this control box cover apart, and I'll open it up. As you can see, I took the two wires that were on the old button, which was right there, and cut them and put them on my own button, which is right there. I just soldered them on, and now I have no more problems. The lawnmower turns on and off when I want it, and no more of those intermittent problems of it turning on and off by itself. What a lot of times you do is you'd have to keep resetting it and push the safety bar down to make it run again. I'd run for like 30 seconds, maybe a minute, and then shut off again.